Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the obvious working pieces so you can rule them out quickly. First, power on the second monitor and set its input to the correct port. Make sure its LED shows activity. Next, reseat the cable or swap to another HDMI or display port jack. Adapters can fail, so test without them if possible. Once done, use Windows Win+P to cycle display modes or open Mac displays to spot a detected screen. This gets you to the detection step fast. Now focus on the middle steps that usually reveal the root cause: software and signal path. On Windows, check Device Manager for the monitor or any display adapters showing warnings. On Mac, use System Report. Update the GPU driver from the manufacturer and, if necessary, uninstall then reinstall it to clear corrupt driver states. If you have multiple GPU outputs, try a different port or the motherboard's integrated output to determine whether the graphics card or the cable path is at fault. Finish by resetting and isolating. In display settings, choose Detect and Rearrange Displays, then set resolution and refresh rate within the monitor's supported range. If a recent driver or OS update caused the issue, roll back the driver or use a restore point. As a final verification, connect the suspect monitor to a different computer. If it still fails to be detected, the monitor, cable, or adapter is likely defective. If detection still fails, replace the cable or test with a powered active adapter to move forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.